Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your Royal Caribbean cruise experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful Serenade of the Seas. Now this particular category is a standard balcony here on board, one of the most prevalent that they have. We're going to show you every space, but before we do, keep in mind when you're ready to book this room or any room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity Cruises, or Silversea, make sure you do it right on HarrTravel.com. You can take advantage of those interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group, and get the Harr Travel signature service and value every step of the way. Now, as soon as you walk in the door, you're gonna have your closet space right here. So you've got hanging space on either side, over here and over there. You can also pull those bars down to get a little more hanging space, and then you've got storage up and down. Now directly across, you're gonna find your bathroom. Now this is basically the same bathroom as you're gonna find in all the balconies, ocean views, and insides here on board. So I love the fact that they don't have a shower curtain. They've got this shower door that bows out. I'm 6'6", I'm a really big guy, and I actually do fit in here. You've got your shower wand right there that'll slide up and down. And then over here, you're gonna have a single vanity. You've got storage behind the mirror and a little bit of storage underneath as well. Now let's head into the main part of the bedroom here. So you've got a love seat right there. In some configurations that can pull out into a bed. You've got a little table just in front, and then across you're gonna find a writing desk that doubles as your vanity. You've got two lights there and a large mirror to get ready. There's storage behind the two mirrors down below as well. You're also gonna have two US plugs and a Euro plug. I always bring a European adapter so I can make sure and use all the plugs in my room. Now, as we head over to the other part, I wanted to point out your TV right here. It can angle towards the couch or you can turn it towards the bed. You've got your mini fridge underneath and a little bit more storage up above with your safe tucked just in there. Big enough for a passport and wallet, but not quite big enough for a laptop. Now this particular room has a Pullman bed up on the ceiling. This would come down for a bunk bed configuration. And then right here, you're gonna find you have a Royal king size bed. This does split apart so you can have two twins if you would prefer. In that case, the two nightstands that have drawers for storage will push to the middle, and then that'll open up a little bit. There's a ton of storage underneath as well so that you can put your bags away. Now this particular balcony is a connecting one, so you can see you've got the connecting door right there. Not all of them do it, but it's such an advantage when traveling with family or with traveling with friends. Now let's head out to the private balcony. So now we're out on your private veranda space. Out here, you're gonna have two chairs and a table. Perfect place to take advantage of that room service menu. Maybe you wanna have breakfast out here or a cocktail in the evening, nice cup of coffee in the morning. It's that perfect space to take advantage of what so many people love about cruising. The incredible unobstructed ocean views. You're also gonna have that fresh sea air. So wherever it is that you're sailing, this is that perfect spot where you can take advantage of it. Now, when you're ready to book this balcony or any room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity Cruises, or Silversea, make sure you reach out to Harr Travel. We know that we can craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way.